Hi everyone, I'm Marcella and this is Ayana Jade. She is 3 months. Hi! And we're having so much fun, me staying at home with her, watching her grow. And I wanted to share with you today what we have in her diaper bag. So just hang on one moment and we'll begin. Alright, so here we have Ayana's diaper bag. It is the Jujube Legacy Collection Be Right Back Backpack Diaper Bag in the Night Star Collection. It's super cute, it's smart and functional, and there's a lot of pockets. So let's begin. In this one, it's a snap
picture pocket with
magnetic
closure,
and you can put a little picture here. I just have it. And I just keep some information here on Young Living, essential oils, and thieves. Here is the mommy pocket. We have Ayana here in the background. She's doing a little bit of tummy time, so if she fusses, I'll turn her over. Here's my mommy pocket, and it's pretty big. I really like it. I carry my sunglasses in the sunglass soft little bag. There's a key fob for my keys. I have my Kleenexes in this little pocket. I have seasonal allergies, so I always need those here in Florida. I have a little roller pen, a pen, some personal female products here, a few little hair ties, hair clip, Kleenex wipes, germ removals, always need those, some wet ones, my earbuds and my lightning USB cable. And here I also have a little zipper pouch, and I have some apricot bloom perfume roller and my little cocoa butter lip balm. I'm gonna turn her over. Tummy time's over. See how long she feels comfortable in that position. I also have my little lip scents by Sense Gin, and this is from a girlfriend of mine. I really like it because you can have lipstick on and it never comes off. It's really neat. And that's all in my mommy pocket. Has little gussets as well on the sides and double zippers. This is a soft felt zipper. I usually keep my cell phone in here, and it's pretty deep. My whole entire hand practically fits in it. It has a little handle here at the top, so that's great. Shoulder straps for the backpack that are squishy, super comfortable, and mesh to keep it breathable on the shoulders and the back. The sides have 2 little pockets. I keep my water bottle in this one. And on the other side, I have a few of Ayana's toys. Since she's kind of drooling a lot, she likes biting, her hands are little. These are great little toys for her to grab onto, and little chew toys. I also have a little Posse Pod from Jujube. It's in the Queen of the Nile print, and basically has a little pacifier in here. She uses it every once in a while, so it does come in handy. The very top pocket's like a secret compartment. I have a few diapers in there. So I keep 2 diapers, and then I have a few more inside. There's a side pocket where I keep her changing pad. And her changing pad is a Jujube changing pad. It's a Hello Kitty peekaboo set. And you open up the big compartment inside here. You can either open it halfway or all the way down, but for demonstration purposes, I will open it all the way so you can see. But whenever I have her and I need to change her, I'll get my diaper pad, and then I'll also get this. And this is the Jujube Hello Kitty Be Quick. Inside of this, I have 3 diapers, Earth Mama Organic Diaper Balm, and my Huggies baby wipes. So I'll grab this and a changing pad, and I'll just take her into a changing room in case I need to change her. This is my bag. It's the Be Quick in the Queen of the Nile print. I really love it. I keep my wallet in here, and then if I need to throw my keys and my cell phone, it all goes in there. And in case I need to run into a store and I'm with Justin, he stays with the baby, and I don't need to take the whole book bag. All right, bless you. And here, this is the Jujube Sanrio. I have personal things for myself in here. I have a little hairbrush, toothbrush, toothpaste, toilet paper in case there's a bathroom that doesn't have toilet paper, hemp seed, hand, body, and lotion, and some floss. In this little Jujube Sanrio, I have for Ayana, it's like her little emergency kit in case she needs it. We have some peppermint essential oil blend, some lavender, which I think this is the only one she can use at the moment, and some germ defense essential oils blend. Also I have this, the little nose picker. Fingernails. Her nails grow so fast, so I'm constantly cutting them. A thermometer for her temperature. Band-aids. Alcohol wipes. And I think this is like a little Neosporin type of thing, a little ointment. Alright, so that's all that's in there. Inside of this bag, this is the Be Set Quit. And I have a few little things of hers, which is a little outfit and a burp rag. I also have a diaper bag in case it needs to go inside here. We're doing some diaper cloths, so this is nice and lined and it won't let any odor out or anything leak through. We have Ayana's rattle, hip hop bunny. She likes her, it keeps her calm. She can chew on her, she can shake her, so she's a lot of fun. Then I have a whole entire pack of Huggies right down the bottom. And then I have nursing pads in case those are needed, any leaking comes. And just a personal item for me in case I need that. Now this also has a zipper compartment on the other side. I'll turn it over so you can see. It's like this. Alright, when I zip this side open, I have her nursing shawl that I made. It's really cute. It's a short one, and it's like a little cape. A little blanket in case she needs that. This is a little spit up burp cloth from Milkbarn. This is a little cape just in case another one. She's drooling a lot, so this is from Aiden and Anise. It's like a little cape. It's really cute because you could use it as a burp cloth, or you could tie it around her neck. That's right. One of these. And another onesie. And right outside, forgot to mention a little Be Brave roller. It has 2 essential oils. It's mostly for me, and it's vetiver and valor. So that's it. This is our BRB diaper bag that Ayana and I use out and about when we go out for an adventure or into town. If you guys have any questions or requests on other videos, let me know. And I'm really excited to continue making videos.